back to A Real Dope Mom. We are here. I'm here with Zai, and we're going to talk about aerating the soil. This is a super important step when it comes to getting your garden started. So this may not be for the advanced gardeners because they already know it's just because they already know it's part of the process of getting the garden started. Because they already know it's a part of the process of getting the garden started. You may have seen in a previous video, like one of my very first videos, preparing your garden. You may have seen this process done in a previous video of mine where I take the soil and I turn it over. That process is of me turning the soil over. That's the process of me getting the soil aerated. One of the reasons why, as a beginner, you should know to aerate your soil is because that is how plants get their oxygen as well. Plants also need oxygen. I know they breathe in oxygen and expel carbon dioxide. No, they breathe in carbon dioxide and expel oxygen. But they also take in oxygen through the soil, through their roots. And if you don't have an aerated, loose soil, that plant will suffocate and it won't do well. I won't say it won't survive because plants are very resilient. Where your socks go? You kicked your socks off. Where'd you kick your socks off at? So that's one of the reasons why when you guys get started, you're wondering why your plants are failing. I won't say they'll die because plants are very resilient. Last year when I was pregnant with him, I ignored this whole garden, but there were bell peppers growing around this. This year, the garlic, I've not touched these garlic plants or did anything with these garlic plants, and they are growing and they are thriving just based off the rain. So baby plants, you better know it and say mama got some good soil over here. Okay, yeah, let them know. So plants are resilient, so I won't say they'll die, but it's a super important step. If you want to have success, it is very important for you to aerate the soil, and one of the ways to do that is to get out here and turn the earth. Add organic material, turn the earth, okay? So another step to add air to the soil is to plant root vegetables like turnips. Excuse my ashiness, it's COVID and I wash my hands religiously. And, oh wait, was that turnips? Turnips, radishes, beets, potatoes. Any root vegetables will help in the process of adding air to the soil because they loosen up that ground. They make it loose for oxygen, for the soil to absorb that oxygen, and in return, your plants absorb that oxygen through their roots. So you want to give your plants a good head start. That is all I have for this video. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Share in the gardening groups. Share with the girls on Facebook. Share in the, all the black gardening groups. Share it with the world. Share it with the white gardeners too, because I know what I be talking about.